Hey everyone! Glowing Star, welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks and rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's get into the details of what we can expect from next year's most anticipated foldable phone. Foldable phones are almost always enormous, especially when unfolded. But next year's Z Fold 7 is set to be even bigger and better than its predecessors. According to a late 2023 leak, Samsung may have to deal with a higher-priced chipset in 2025, potentially leading to a spike in costs for its flagship phones, including the Z Fold 7. For now, we speculate that its price will remain the same as the Z Fold 6, but we'll update you as soon as new information emerges. Camera specs? Based on the Z Fold SIXS features, we estimate that the Z Fold 7 will see a significant upgrade in camera specs. We expect a triple camera arrangement on the rear, featuring a wide main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a telephoto lens for optical zoom. The cover screen will likely house a 10-megapixel selfie camera, while an extra hidden 4-megapixel selfie camera will be behind the folding screen, creating the impression that there's no visible camera, making it inconspicuous yet technologically advanced. Storage and build. The Z Fold 7 is expected to start with 256 GB of storage, with 512 GB and 1 TB options available for a premium price. Unfortunately, there will be no SD card slot, as is the case with most new flagships. Based on predictions from prominent expert Ross Young, the Z Fold 7 will have larger screens and a slimmer, lighter build, enhancing the user experience. The cover screen is expected to grow from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches, while the folding screen will expand from 7.6 inches to 8 inches, offering a conventional smartphone experience when closed and a larger tablet experience when unfolded. Screen and battery. Both screens on the Z Fold 7 will feature dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 2600 nits of peak brightness, ensuring top specs and outstanding visibility. The folding screen will have a resolution of 1968 by 2184 with 367 ppi and will be covered with flexible glass, while the cover screen will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Z Fold 7 is expected to retain the 4400 mAh battery, providing ample power for extended use, with up to 12 hours and 42 minutes of online browsing on a single charge. Charging and new technology. The Z Fold 7 will likely support 25-watt charging speeds, with no change for wireless and reverse wireless charging. Although we don't expect super-fast charging or new battery technology, Samsung is reportedly working on a new folding battery. Whether this will be included in the Z Fold 7 remains to be seen. Software and features. The Z Fold 7 is believed to come with Samsung's future One UI 7 interface running on top of Android 15, offering frequent software and security upgrades for up to 7 years. One UI 7 will include AI features such as writing assist tools, AI-powered content summaries, phone transcripts, and more customization options. The new navbar, similar to Apple's Magic Island, will provide immediate access to live information. The Z Fold 7 will also support Flex Mode and Samsung DeX, enhancing productivity and providing a desktop experience when connected to an external monitor. Stylus compatibility with the S Pen will also be available, though sold separately.